Fur Trade Quiz. Please use your notes, assignments, and/or textbook app from last week to complete this quiz. Your goal is to get 80% or better so you can move on to the next step, the fur trade assessment. You got this. Name, hour, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. What continent is Minnesota on? The fur trade, a worldwide business. North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia. With the same choices below: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia. The fur trade was an exchange of goods between the Dakota and Ojibwe on one side and the Europeans on the other. A long time ago, something that changed Minnesota and everyone in Minnesota forever. All of the above. Why did the Dakota and Ojibwe participate in the fur trade? What was in it for them? They wanted or needed clothes, tools, kettles, and weapons. They wanted or needed pelts, food, and help. Why did the Europeans participate in the fur trade? What was in it for them? Same choices. They wanted or needed clothes, tools, kettles, and weapons. They wanted or needed pelts, food, and help. How did the fur trade make European fur traders' lives better? It made everything more convenient. It made them rich. It made them generous. It made them great leaders. How did the fur trade make Dakota and Ojibwe lives better? It made everything more convenient. It made them rich. It made them generous. It made them great leaders. What animal's fur was used most often in the fur trade? Deer, beaver, squirrel, fish. The fur trade connected Minnesota to just North America, just Europe, worldwide trade. How did European fur traders build relationships with the Dakota and Ojibwe people? Europeans turned the Dakota and Ojibwe into slaves. Europeans promised they would never take over Dakota and Ojibwe land. Europeans gave the Dakota and Ojibwe gifts and married their women. As the fur trade continued, what happened in the lives of the Dakota and Ojibwe? They began to fight each other. They began to rely on the European tools and forget their old ways. They began moving to Europe. Submit. Thanks for taking this quiz. Check your score. If you got 80% or better, yay, go on to do the fur trade assessment. If you didn't, give it another try using the link here. You got this. View score, see previous responses, submit another response. Submit another response will let you take the quiz again. This will tell you your score. I didn't answer any questions, so my total points are 0 out of 10. Good luck to you. I'm sure you can do better.